These are our materials being used for today's lesson project. We have our marble dropper, the 2 meter sticks, the 4 marbles, and our cup. Here Patrick is aligning the meter sticks so that one on the floor is perfectly aligned to the table. If the rulers aren't perfectly aligned, the math will not be correct.
Next, we are aligning our marble dropper to touch the very edge of the table. Here, Summer is dropping down her marble to see where it lands according to the ruler on the floor, so we will know where to place our cup. Since Summer found the place where to put the cup, she is setting the cup down on the ruler, so her marble will drop in it. The cup may fall over, but the marble still lands in the cup, so your math will be correct.
The place on the ruler where we are setting the cup is 40.9 inches, which converts to 0.409 meter. The equations we will be using to find the time and the velocity of the marbles dropping will be t equals the square root of 2h divided by a and v equals d divided by t. These are our known variables. During the lab, we found out that the height from the table to the ground was 0.74 meters. The initial velocity is equal to 0, since it always is in this case, and the acceleration due to gravity was equal to 9.8 meters over seconds, which it also always is in this case. Also, which isn't written down, was the distance from the ruler to where the ball landed, which turned out to be 0.409 meters. Using our equations, we are plugging in all the data from our known variables to find the unknown variables of time and velocity. 2 is being multiplied by 0.74 meters and divided by the acceleration of 9.8. Then finally, you square root it to equal the time of 0.15 seconds. Then, the distance of 0.409 meters is being divided by the time of 0.15 seconds to equal the velocity of 2.726 meters over second.
After we gather our information, we make a chart with the left side being vertical and the right side being horizontal. On the vertical side, we have height, time, initial velocity, and acceleration due to gravity. On the horizontal side, we have distance, time, and velocity. On the vertical side, I'm plugging in the answers. For h, we got 0.74 meters. For t, we got 0.15 seconds. For vi, we got 0 meters per second. And for a, we got 9.8 meters per second squared. On the horizontal side, for d, we got 0.409 meters. For time, we got 0.15 seconds, and for v, we got 2.726 meters per second.